What if your memories aren't actually yours? What if the forests you hike in are hunting you? Tonight, we aren't just looking at stories. We are looking at evidence that reality itself might be broken. From government mind control projects that never actually ended, to the statistical probability that nothing in our reality is real. Let's dive in. The missing 411. It starts as an innocent hike. But the data shows a pattern that defies logic. Over the last few decades, thousands of people have vanished from national parks. No tracks, no scent for the dogs to follow. And typically, no bodies are ever found. Former search and rescue officers claim these disappearances cluster around specific geographic anomalies, fields of granite boulders, and sudden, severe weather changes. The National Park Service refuses to maintain a public list of these missing persons. Why hide the numbers? Some believe these people aren't getting lost. They believe they are being taken, whether by something living deep in the cave systems, or something that enters our world through portals in the stone. The silence in these parks is certainly deafening. Project MK Ultra. This isn't just a conspiracy theory. This is history. In the 1950s, the CIA ran Project MK Ultra. They experimented on unwitting citizens using hypnosis, sensory deprivation, and psychoactive compounds. Their goal? To shatter the human mind and rebuild it to follow orders. Official records say the project was shut down in 1973. But look around you. Modern theorists suggest MK Ultra didn't end. It just went digital. Today, we carry the monitoring devices in our pockets. The algorithms that predict your anger, your fear, and your purchases? That is behavior modification on a global scale. They don't need to kidnap you to control you anymore. They just need you to unlock your phone. The Mandela Effect. Picture Pikachu in your head right now. Visualize his lightning bolt tail. Does it have a black tip at the end? If you said yes, you are wrong. In this reality, Pikachu's tail has never had a black tip. It has always been solid yellow. We aren't talking about simple forgetfulness. We are talking about millions of people sharing the exact same, specific, false memory. This is the Mandela Effect. Millions of people sharing a specific, detailed memory of something that history says is false. But physics offers a darker explanation. Many trace the rise of these glitches to 2012, the exact time the Large Hadron Collider began smashing particles at record speeds. Some believe we didn't just discover the Higgs boson particle. We accidentally shifted our consciousness into a parallel, slightly different timeline. If your memories don't match reality, are you wrong? Or is the universe? The dead internet theory. You think you're arguing with people online? You might just be screaming into the void. This is the dead internet theory. It suggests that the human internet died around 2016. The theory claims that the vast majority of traffic, likes, and comments you see today are actually bots talking to other bots, designed to create the illusion of a society. It's a terrifying concept, solipsism. The idea that you are the only real person left in a digital ghost town. If the internet is our window to the world, what happens when you realize the window is actually a screen playing a pre-recorded movie? The simulation hypothesis. This brings us to the final and most scientific possibility. Elon Musk, Neil deGrasse Tyson, and Oxford philosophers have all argued the same thing. Statistically, there is a 1,000,000,000 chance that we are living in base reality. Quantum physics shows that particles behave differently when they are being observed. It's exactly how a video game works. The world only renders when the player looks at it. If this is true, then everything, your childhood, your pain, this video, is just code. The question isn't, are we in a simulation? The question is, who is holding the controller? And what happens when they press shut down? These 5 theories prove that the world isn't what it seems, whether they are paranoia or the truth. I'll let you decide. Let me know in the comments which one of these kept you awake. And if you want to see how deep the rabbit hole goes, subscribe to Apex Films. Until next time, trust no one.